Managing blood sugar can feel overwhelming. Every meal becomes a careful decision, and it is hard to know which foods will support you and which may cause a spike. Many people end up eating the same few meals every day out of fear or confusion, but it does not have to be that way. Certain vegetables naturally slow the absorption of sugar, help you feel full longer, and support more steady energy throughout the day. In this video, you will discover 6 vegetables that are simple to find, easy to cook, and can fit naturally into your everyday meals to help support calmer, more balanced blood sugar. You open the refrigerator, trying to decide what to make. You want something healthy, something that will support your blood sugar, but every choice feels uncertain. Maybe you have had meals before that seemed fine, but your numbers still climbed afterward. That frustration creates hesitation, so you stick to the same foods, even when they get boring. But it is not about eating less or avoiding flavor. It is about choosing foods that work with your body, not against it. The good news is that some everyday vegetables can make meals feel satisfying and steady without stress or confusion. Vegetable number 1, broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most supportive vegetables for steady blood sugar because it is packed with fiber and natural plant compounds that slow digestion. When food digests more slowly, sugar enters the bloodstream at a gentler pace. That means fewer sudden spikes and fewer crashes that drain your energy. Broccoli also contains antioxidants that support how well your body responds to insulin. And unlike many foods marketed as healthy, broccoli does this in a quiet, steady way that does not feel restrictive or difficult. Think about Sam in Michigan. Lunchtime used to leave him feeling heavy and tired. He would eat a sandwich or something quick, and by mid-afternoon he felt foggy and hungry again. It seemed normal, just part of the day. But when Sam started adding a serving of broccoli to his lunch, he noticed the difference. He roasted it with a little olive oil and salt, nothing complicated. His meal suddenly felt more complete. He stayed full longer. His afternoon energy felt more stable. Instead of reaching for snacks to push through the day, he felt steady. The key is not just eating broccoli occasionally. It is making it part of meals you already enjoy. Roast it, steam it, stir-fry it, or add it to soups. The goal is simplicity, not perfection. The takeaway is this: broccoli supports your body by slowing down digestion and helping sugar move steadily. Add a handful to one meal a day. Even that small shift can help calm cravings and support more predictable energy. Vegetable number 2, spinach. Spinach digests slowly and is rich in fiber, magnesium, and plant compounds that help the body use insulin more effectively. That means your cells can absorb sugar more smoothly, reducing the chance of big rises in blood sugar after meals. Spinach is also light and flexible. It can be added to meals without changing the flavor too much, which makes it easy to use daily without effort. Consider Brittany in Alberta. She usually grabbed something fast for lunch, often a wrap or noodles, because she was busy and needed something quick. But afterward, she always felt that familiar afternoon crash. Her body felt sluggish, and focusing became harder. One day, she began adding a handful of fresh spinach inside her lunch wrap and mixing it into dinners like eggs and rice bowls. The meals tasted the same, but the impact was different. Her energy lasted longer. The crash softened. The hunger between meals became calmer and less urgent. Spinach does not need to be the star of the meal. It simply needs to be present. Toss it into soups, scramble it with eggs, blend it into smoothies, or layer it into your plates. Even when cooked lightly, spinach holds its fiber and supportive minerals. The takeaway is simple. Add a small handful of spinach to at least one meal a day. The fiber helps slow digestion, and the minerals help your body respond more evenly to sugar. Small addition, steady difference. Vegetable number 3, Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are one of the most underrated vegetables for supporting steady blood sugar. They are high in fiber, which slows the release of sugar into the bloodstream, and they contain natural compounds that help the body respond to insulin more efficiently. Their structure makes them digest slowly, which helps prevent the energy spike and crash cycle that can feel exhausting. When prepared well, they have a warm, satisfying flavor that makes meals feel fuller and more grounding. Think about Marcus in New Jersey. He used to feel hungry again shortly after dinner, even when the meal was filling. That late-night hunger made him reach for snacks he did not truly want. When he started roasting Brussels sprouts with olive oil, pepper, and a little garlic, he noticed something surprising. The hunger arrived later, more gently. His evenings felt calmer. He did not feel the urge to snack out of urgency. The slow-digesting fiber in the Brussels sprouts helped his body stay steady after dinner instead of swinging. Brussels sprouts are easy to cook once you find a method you like. Roasting brings out a naturally caramelized flavor. Sautéing them gives a warm, soft texture. Shredding them into salads makes them light and crisp. They fit into meals without needing complicated recipes. The takeaway is this: include Brussels sprouts in your meals at least a few times a week. Their slow digestion and natural compounds work quietly in the background to support steadier blood sugar and calmer hunger rhythms. A small, comforting addition that helps your body stay balanced. Vegetable number 4, cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that supports steadier blood sugar because it is low in carbohydrates and high in fiber. It breaks down slowly during digestion, which helps prevent sudden spikes after meals. Cauliflower also provides a satisfying, comforting texture, making it an easy replacement for higher carb foods like rice, potatoes, or pasta, without feeling like you are giving anything up. Think about Denise in Illinois. She loved mashed potatoes with dinner, but after eating them, she often felt sleepy and heavy. Her blood sugar would rise sharply and then drop, leaving her craving something sweet afterward. One evening, she tried something different. She steamed cauliflower and blended it with a little olive oil and salt to make a creamy mash. The taste was warm and familiar, but the effect on her body was completely different. She felt full, not weighed down. Her energy stayed level, and the cravings that used to follow dinner were suddenly quieter. Cauliflower can slip into almost any meal effortlessly. Use it as rice, as mash, roast it in the oven, or add it into soups and stir-fries. It takes on the flavor of whatever you cook it with, which makes it one of the easiest vegetables to enjoy consistently. The takeaway is this: swap cauliflower into meals where you might normally choose heavier starches. It helps your body process sugar more steadily and keeps your energy calmer, especially after dinner when blood sugar swings tend to feel strongest. Vegetable number 5, green beans. Green beans are naturally low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, which means they help slow the release of sugar into the bloodstream. They also contain minerals that support muscle and nerve function, both of which play a role in how the body uses energy. Green beans create a gentle, steady digestion pattern, making meals feel more grounding without feeling heavy. Think about Carlos in Virginia. Dinner used to leave him feeling hungry again only an hour later. He would finish eating, clean up, and then find himself looking in the pantry for something else. It felt like his hunger had no off switch. When he began adding a serving of lightly seasoned green beans to his dinner, that pattern changed. The meal stayed with him longer. The sense of fullness felt calmer. The late evening cravings softened, and his energy felt smoother all the way to bedtime. Green beans are easy to prepare. Steam them and drizzle with olive oil. Sauté them with garlic. Add them to soups or stir-fries. They do not require complicated recipes to be effective. The takeaway is this: include a serving of green beans in your main meal of the day. Their fiber helps slow digestion in a supportive, subtle way, leading to steadier energy and fewer urges to snack after meals. Vegetable number 6, bell peppers. Bell peppers are rich in water, fiber, and natural antioxidants that support how the body handles sugar. Their sweetness comes with a slow release effect because the fiber holds on to the sugars and prevents them from rushing into the bloodstream. They bring brightness and flavor to meals without causing spikes. Alyssa in California used to rely on chips or crackers for a quick snack when she felt tired, but those snacks always left her more hungry later. She began slicing bell peppers and keeping them ready in her refrigerator. When she paired them with hummus or a small piece of cheese, she noticed the snack felt satisfying without causing any energy crash. Her cravings became less urgent, and her afternoon felt more in control. Bell peppers fit almost anywhere. Eat them raw with dips, roast them for warmth, or add them to eggs, salads, tacos, soups, or sandwiches. The takeaway is simple. Keep bell peppers washed and sliced where they are easy to see and grab. When choosing a snack feels effortless, steadiness becomes easier and more natural. Common mistakes. Even when choosing supportive vegetables, a few everyday habits can weaken their benefits. One of the most common mistakes is overcooking vegetables until they become mushy. When vegetables are cooked too long, the fiber breaks down and loses much of its ability to slow digestion. The meal may still look healthy, but the blood sugar effect changes. Light cooking keeps the fiber structure strong, which helps the body process sugar more steadily. Another mistake is adding heavy sauces, cheese, or sugary dressings. The vegetables themselves support balance, but the added extras can create spikes. Many people think the problem is the vegetable, when the real issue is what was added on top. Small adjustments in seasoning can make a major difference in blood sugar response. Think about Lauren in Ohio. She used to make vegetables, but always covered them in creamy sauces or sweet glazes, believing it helped her enjoy them more. The vegetables were present, but the benefits were hidden under the additions. When she switched to seasoning with olive oil, herbs, lemon, garlic, or pepper, the flavor stayed enjoyable while her meals began supporting steadier energy. She did not remove flavor. She removed the sugar spikes. A third mistake is eating vegetables only once a day. The body responds best to small, steady input. A handful of spinach at lunch, some roasted vegetables at dinner, a few raw slices with a snack. Small, repeated servings create a steady rhythm. The takeaway is this: keep vegetables simple, cook them lightly, season them with flavor that comes from herbs, spices, and healthy fats. Consistency and simplicity are what make vegetables powerful for blood sugar support. Bonus tip: an easy way to make these vegetables even more supportive is to pair them with a source of protein or healthy fat. When vegetables are eaten alone, they digest steadily, but when paired with protein or fat, the release of sugar slows down even more, keeping energy calm and consistent. For example, add olive oil to roasted vegetables, pair bell peppers with hummus, or add spinach to eggs. Think about food as a team effort rather than individual parts. The right pairing turns a simple meal into steady fuel that supports your body gently throughout the day. Conclusion: blood sugar control does not have to feel restrictive or complicated. Vegetables like broccoli, spinach, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, green beans, and bell peppers can help support steady energy, calmer hunger, and more predictable days. You do not have to change everything at once. Begin by adding one of these vegetables to a meal you already enjoy. Notice how your body responds. Over time, these small, steady choices create real change. If this was helpful, stay close. There is more here to guide you toward balance, confidence, and nourishment you can feel.